If you have no credit history in the USA, getting approved for a credit card, car loan, or apartment can be very difficult. The problem isn't bad credit, it's no credit. In this video, I'll explain exactly how to build your credit score from zero, step by step, safely and responsibly. Part 1. What does no credit mean? Having no credit means you don't have enough credit history for lenders to calculate a credit score. In the United States, most credit scores are calculated using the FICO model. If you've never borrowed money or used credit, the system simply has no data about you. Remember, no credit is different from bad credit. Part 2. Step 1. Get a secured credit card. The safest and most common way to start building credit is by using a secured credit card. A secured credit card requires a refundable security deposit, usually between $200 and $500. That deposit becomes your credit limit. You use the card like a normal credit card, and your payment activity is reported to the credit bureaus. Part 3. Step 2. Pay every bill on time. Payment history makes up about 35% of your FICO score. One late payment can significantly damage your credit, especially when you're just starting. Set up automatic payments if possible, and never miss a due date. Part 4. Step 3. Keep credit utilization low. Means how much of your available credit you are using. Experts recommend keeping your usage below 30% of your credit limit. For best results, try to stay under 10%. For example, if your limit is $300, try not to carry a balance higher than $90. Part 5. Step 4. Become an authorized user. Optional, but powerful. You can ask a trusted family member to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. If they have a long history of on-time payments, it can help you build credit faster. However, make sure the primary user is financially responsible. Part 6. Step 5. Consider a credit builder loan. Some banks and credit unions offer credit builder loans. Instead of receiving money up front, the lender holds the loan amount in a savings account. You make small monthly payments, and after finishing, you receive the money and a positive payment history. Part 7. How long does it take? In most cases, it takes about 3 to 6 months of reported activity to generate your first credit score. Building a strong score above 700 usually takes consistent, responsible behavior over time. Credit building is a marathon, not a sprint. Part 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Applying for too many credit cards at once. Missing even one payment. Maxing out your credit limit. Closing your first credit card too early. These mistakes can slow down your progress. Outro. Strong close CTA. Building credit from zero is not complicated, but it requires discipline. Start small, pay on time. Keep your usage low. In the next video, I'll explain the biggest credit score mistakes that can ruin your financial future. Subscribe to Knowledge Simplified for clear and practical financial education.